So, as we know, we're going to have the weekend workshop. Dedicating 2 days, Dedicating 2 days in our life. Focus on this subject matter. Probably the most important subject matter for all of us. Conscious aging. Beyond just doing some Qigong. Beyond just solve some immediate problems. It's asking the deeper question, How are we going to live the rest of our life? And often that can be intimidating the question. But it's really important question. Even can be intimidating when we are struggling, when we are having all the problem trying to solve. And yet, if we focus on the biggest problem is not just how to solve these small problems. It's how we live a life for the rest of our life. When we are young, we don't think of that issue. As if we have all the time to figure everything out. We have all the busy activity lined up already. All the goals, all the ambitions lined up already. Suddenly when we retire, obviously I'm not retiring, but it's not my job. It's my life passion. But even if we officially retire, from a professional job, or even retire from whatever circumstances of life. Even when we retire from a relationship. So this is a big question, is now what? So when we think about a bigger problem, or a bigger question, how I'm going to live the rest of my life, it's not as scary as trying to solve all the problems, small or big, in everyday life. Suddenly, you're able to open up to the bigger view. The bigger view of life, the bigger view of yourself, the bigger view, big options of different choices available. Instead of just lost in the entanglement of everyday life.